Welcome to Lorton Data's video tutorial on dropping potentially undeliverable delivery point validation or DPV records. As with any database, you may find that not all addresses are good quality deliverable records. Processing with Lorton Data can help you locate these potentially undeliverable records and assist you in correcting them or possibly removing them from your mailing list. Potentially undeliverable records can be removed by Lorton Data if you are using AquaMailer's pre-sort processing. See the section Drop Records from Pre-sort located on the pre-sort specifications page to choose which records should not be included in your mailing. If you're not using AquaMailer's pre-sort processing, you'll want to locate the invalid records within the output file returned to you by Lorton Data. Start by locating the field identified as DPV_flag. The characters or flags found in this field indicate the quality of a given address according to U.S. Postal Service data. Records with the code of Y are addresses the U.S. Postal Service considers good and valid addresses. Records with the code of N are considered invalid addresses and will possibly result in returned or discarded mail. This is also true for records where the DPV flag is blank. Sometimes only part of an address may be valid. These records are flagged with S or D in the DPV flag field. For example, an address may have good primary information, such as 2 Pine Tree Drive, but might be missing a suite number, or it could be that an apartment number you have on the input address does not exist in the building. Depending on a number of factors, including the number of tenants and carrier, these records may result in returned or discarded mail. Next, look for the field identified as DPV_vacant. The flags found in this field can tell you if an address is considered vacant by the U.S. Postal Service. The address may be a valid delivery point, but a carrier has flagged the address as unoccupied at this time. It's possible mail sent to these addresses will not be delivered. Once you've located the potentially undeliverable records, look to the status field for error codes. These will give you more information about the address. The definition of error codes can be found in the layout provided in your output package. For example, if your record has an error code of E101, you know that the city, state, or zip code information is missing. You may now be able to manually correct this record. Sometimes correcting the record manually isn't possible or practical. In these cases, Lorton Data provides enhanced address correction options that may be able to correct addresses such as these for you. Contact Lorton Data for more information on these services. When working on a tight budget, it may be best to simply remove these addresses to eliminate wasted mail pieces and postage and increase your return on investment. On the other hand, you may choose to mail some of these as there is the possibility of delivery. You'll want to discuss these options with your mail manager or client. For further assistance on dropping records or for other questions, please contact us via email at support@lortondata.com, by phone at 651-203-8290, or by live chat available on our website.